Hello, it's Catherine Bernard. I thought I would just do a quick recording to show you how to create a loyalty order um, and talk about the benefits to doing loyalty rewards and how to edit it and all that kind of stuff. So you'll want to log in, obviously, at doTERRA.com. This screen here should be what comes up when you log in. So currently I have a scheduled loyalty order for May 20th. I'm obviously going to change that. If you haven't ever created one, you would do create new loyalty order. You can create a one-time order at any point. You do not get any point value or benefit to that. So I suggest if you are wanting to take advantage of getting your products for as cheap as you can and getting all of the benefits, that you do a loyalty rewards. What happens is, so we'll go in here and we'll edit it. What happens is if I did not edit this loyalty reward order on May 20th, the items that are in the cart, which is right now is just clary sage, will automatically be shipped. So I would need to come in and either edit it or delete it or choose something else. You can add and subtract things to your cart as much as you want to, and you can process it on any day that's available. So today I'm going to edit this and then likely process it today as well. So you'll also see that my annual membership renewal is coming up in May. So that's a $25 fee. And then they give you a free bottle of peppermint. So it's essentially $5. So that's kind of nice. That's just automatically added to keep your wholesale customer discount going for another year. The other thing I want you to take note of is up here, this remaining rewards points. I have 117.64 reward points. Those I can use to buy anything that is available. So like the clary sage, I could click down here and I could use reward points to purchase clary sage. And then the clary sage would come up as 0, and then my reward points would go down to 81.14. So as you use loyalty rewards, you will get up to 30% back on everything you buy if you continue to use the loyalty rewards program for up to a year. So I'm at 20% of everything I buy plus my shipping. So any money you spend in shipping also gets refunded to your account in the form of points. So I don't actually want to do that. So we're going to add a few items, and there's a couple ways to do that. You can add it here, like I know I need a bottle of lavender, and so you can choose it that way. You can add it just by searching here, or you can shop products, like I need to buy a bigger bottle of shampoo and conditioner, so I wasn't exactly sure how those were sold, so we'll just go down here. So I want the large bottle of shampoo and conditioner. So we've been using this for a couple of months, and we're not quite out of we started with this set right here. We're not quite out of it, but the girls were using it in Kansas City, and so I have a lot less than I thought. So good news, all of the little tweens and teens think this shampoo is fabulous. So after you do that, you can go back to your cart here and review the loyalty order. So I want to keep shopping, but so right now I have added the Salon Essentials and the lavender, and I want to go back and add clary sage. So we've got that in there, and then I need to add cypress. I'm doing a women's focused make and take. So clary sage is a big one. We're doing like a skin tightening serum, a lovely legs for like spider veins and varicose veins. We're doing a mood one for PMS, one for hot flashes, that kind of thing. So I'm just making sure that I have all of the right oils for that little process. And then elevation we're going to use also. Elevation is awesome if you haven't tried those. So you can see I've added Now, I wanted to make you aware of the, I also need grapefruit. There we go. So notice here I'm at 200 PV, and the special this month will automatically be added. So you can see here I'm going to get Wild Orange for free. I'm going to get the dōTERRA On Guard Whitening Toothpaste, which I actually had on my list because I'm out. The hand sanitizing mist, which is fantastic, and then On Guard oil. So this whole thing right here is $57.50 in free product for the month. And the other thing that I need is the On Guard cleaner, which is I think on 10% off maybe this month, the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. I bought mine back in December, and again, it's not quite out yet, but we use it an awful lot, so I'm going to get that since it's on promo this month for 10% off. And let's see, my youngest needed some chapstick. He wants, maybe it's lip, I can't remember how it's, so if you can't, oh, lip balm, there it is, lip balm. He likes original, I believe. My Wi-Fi is a little slow today, so we're going to go ahead and do 2 of those. And then the other thing that I am desperate for is my Lifelong Vitality vitamins. So I'm going to add those in. Lifelong Vitality pack. And from there, I can choose any of these additional supplements at a significant savings. So they're $20, and normally they're usually $40. So I've been wanting to try this Mitomax. So I'm going to add that for $20 because then it's half price. So here we are with our order, and I have a little extra since I have the Lifelong Vitality and the Mitomax. And then the only other thing I need is some Deep Blue Rub samples. I give those away in my goodie bags, as well as the shampoo and conditioner samples. So all the new people get samples of that stuff. 10 pack of shampoo, yep. And then I think that's it. So double check I have everything. And then, look at all this free stuff I'm getting. So I'm going to use let me get my elevation for free. Why not, right? So I think I've got some points coming to me from the promo last month as well, but those won't be here until May 4th. And I need them. I need these products a little sooner. So I'm going to do standard 2 to 3 day shipping. And then my choices here are to proceed to checkout or save and process on May 20th. Oh, you have items that are being paid with points. So that's right. If you're going to use points, then you have to proceed to checkout today. So you can see that, and there's also a $3 fee for redeeming points. So let's proceed to checkout. And it should tell me what is next. So the changes are saved, and I want to process now. And then I will get my confirmation and get my awesome products. And I basically earned 57 loyalty points for this order. And those show up in your account usually around the 20th of the month. So on May 20th, they'll show up. So that's it. Now, obviously, so when you go back in, now I've got June 20th date of all of those items. So if you would like, you can go in and delete things out so that these things are not part of your monthly order. You can delete them anytime up until the time when it's supposed to be processed. So I usually bring mine down, especially if I've had a big order like this. I usually bring it down to a reasonable amount in products that if by some odd chance I forget to get rid of, I'm not going to be upset to have them shipped to me. But pretty sure I'm not going to need shampoo by the time that comes around. But I do know that I'm going to need frankincense next month. So I'm going to go ahead and just add that in. And because I'm doing doTERRA as a business and I want to get commissions, I want to make sure that I always have $100 of PV in my cart. So I've got 132 PV. So I'm going to just save and process that on June 20th. Yes, your loyalty order. Yes. Okay. So so then it says it'll process on June 20th. Obviously, I could go in again and make any changes that I want. So that is it. If you have questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help. Hope you guys have a great day and happy shopping in May. Let's see if I can stop this.